How do you break the psychology of following a budget? Is it about having a goal that you're just incredibly passionate about? What would you tell somebody who walks into onto your website, what have you, and says, "Hey, I want a budget. How do I get started?"
It's all of that. It's a matter of really just looking at your ins and your outs, right? And being able to say, okay, well, now what we've learned from your income and your expenses and where everything's going, is everything aligning with your values? Are you actually using your money in a way that's building a life that you want? Or are you just kind of just shooting from the hip? So that's really what the budget allows you to do, to make sure that you're checking the boxes that are most important to you long term. So if you are working towards goals of retiring or retiring early or buying a home or whatever you're working towards with your financial goals, that budget is really going to be the key to that map to help you to say, okay, well, this is what I need to do, and maybe some trade-offs, right? Because we don't make infinite amounts of money. So you have to be able to look at it and make decisions of where that money is going to go, but it's completely up to you. And that's the empowering part of it, not the limiting part of it. I think people get that really twisted.